So, which way round do you have the foot pedal on your machine? Is it the right way round or the wrong way round? Let me tell you. And a quick shout out to Frank, one of my subscribers. Thank you so much for requesting this. I hope this helps you. And today I am filming outside by my apple tree in the glorious sunshine. So hope you enjoy a different view. So this is a foot pedal on a machine. They're all pretty much looking the same way. So we have a narrow end and we have a thick end, a wide end. Now, the correct way to press your sewing machine foot pedal down is with your foot. So my hand is now being my foot, and we have the narrow end underneath the main part of our foot, and we press down so our toes are towards the wider end, and we push down with our toes. I see a lot of people, so many people, who think that the foot pedal goes the other way round. And they try and they put their foot there and they're pressing down at this end with the main bit of their foot. And that is the incorrect way round. The thing is, you want control over the speed of your machine. There are a lot of people who wonder, how can I get the control over the speed of my machine? Okay, yeah, that does come with practice. But if you've got your foot in the right position, you can control the speed of your foot pedal very easily just by raising and lowering your foot. Just think, when you're out driving in your car and you're pressing on the accelerator, then you push down with your toes. You push away with you to the accelerator is high up, and you're pushing down with your toes at that end of the foot. And this is exactly the same as the foot pedal on your machine. So the narrow bit goes towards you where you're sitting, your flat of your foot goes there, and you're pressing downwards. So there you go. I hope that has helped. Twiddle around your foot pedal if you've got it the wrong way around, and you'll find how much easier and more controllable that is for your sewing. I really hope that's helped. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your sewing friends, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.